Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with mobile data. To begin, ensure you have a robust cellular signal, ideally 3 bars or more, for a stable connection. Roblox, being an online game, uses a notable amount of data, sometimes up to 500 megabytes per hour during active gameplay. Therefore, checking your mobile data plan is very important before you start. Always confirm your available data allowance to prevent unexpected charges. Regularly monitoring your data usage prevents surprises and helps you stay within your plan's limits. Most smartphones provide a detailed breakdown of which apps consume the most data. You can access this information directly in your device settings, usually under the Mobile Data or Network and Internet section. This insight allows you to manage your usage effectively, avoiding any potential overage fees. Within the Roblox application itself, you can make several adjustments to conserve your mobile data. Access the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality to a setting like 2 or 3 out of 10. This simple change reduces the amount of data the game needs to load assets. Also, consider turning off performance statistics if they are enabled, as this also uses small amounts of data. To further optimize your mobile data usage, manage your device settings proactively. Before launching Roblox, close any applications running in the background, as they may consume data without your immediate knowledge. Additionally, disable automatic updates for all your apps and cloud services while on cellular data. Engaging your phone's built-in data saver or low power mode can also effectively minimize background data activity, preserving your allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.